For making the lap not bend, we have to make a bite in this way, with the working hand pointing up. Then we take the running hand of the other, we put it over the bite that we just made, around it, and back inside in the bite, like this. And the knot is done. As you can see, the two running hand stays up. Under tension, the knot changes a little bit of its form, but it's quite easy to undone. It's very important not to do the knot like this. In this case, as you can see, we have one running hand up and one running hand down. This is dangerous because as you can see, the knot comes undone. It slips very fast, the rope.